Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified channel. In this video, we are going to understand the final keyword in Java, especially how it's used in field declarations. We will walk through a simple program, explain how to access final fields using objects and talk about the real world application. So let's jump right in. Let's first declare one class final demo, and in this class I am going to declare one variable, integer variable, as a final. Okay, final field value cannot be changed. Once it is declared or assigned, so we have to make sure that in the program we cannot change the value of the final variable. So let's declare one final variable, have a number with value 100. Now let's declare a public static void main, and in this public static void main we are going to create one object of this final class. Okay, so in this, let's create one object of this final demo class. So I am writing final demo object equal to new final demo. Okay, so then we are going to print the value of the final object, final field, using the object. Okay, so you can access it like any other field, but you can't modify it. So for printing the value, I am going to write system.out.println, and the message, the value of the final field is, and here I have to use this with object, so I write this object dot number. Okay, now I am going to change the value of this object. So first, as the value is of this final field is 100, I want to change this value as 200. So we are going to get the error because we cannot assign a value to the final variable once it is assigned. Okay, so now let's check that it gives error or not. So you are seeing here it there is a error. So let's run and check. So you can see that there is a error that the final field number cannot be assigned. So you cannot assign the final field value another value once it is assigned. Okay, so let's comment this line and again run this code, and you can get the value of the final field is 200. Okay, a final field is 100. Okay, so now let's discuss that where we can use the final in the real applications. So when we have to declare some constant, we have to declare some immutable classes, and for the security and the stability we can use the final field. Okay, and it is very simple but powerful features that brings clarity and safety to your code. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share, and drop a comment if you used final in your project or ask any questions, and of course hit subscribe for more Java tutorials. Thank you.